Did you know that a reliable vehicle can not only save you from breakdowns in the middle of nowhere, but also cut repair costs by over $10,000 in just 5 years? While many big brands are starting to show their weaknesses, some models quietly prove they can run for hundreds of thousands of miles with barely any major repairs. This list is based on data from Consumer Reports and real-world owner feedback. And the biggest surprise? The number one spot might be completely different from what you expect. Comment number 1 if you enjoyed the video. Otherwise, comment number 2. Thank you. Six, Hyundai Tucson. A decade ago, the name Hyundai was often tied to the stereotype of cheap cars with average quality. But the 2025 Tucson has completely rewritten that story. It's the clearest proof of Hyundai's remarkable rise. From an underestimated brand in its segment, it's now a serious contender, rivaling Toyota and Honda in the reliability game. The first thing to highlight is its breakdown prevention technology, a standout feature. The Tucson is equipped with a smart self-diagnostic system that can detect early issues in the engine, transmission, or electrical system. In other words, this SUV can warn you before a problem turns into a repair bill costing thousands. It's a step forward that many competitors in its class haven't matched. In terms of power, the 2025 Tucson offers two main options: a famously durable 2.5L naturally aspirated gasoline engine and a fuel-efficient hybrid. Both share a common trait: simple, easy-to-maintain designs that avoid the overcomplicated setups that lead to long-term risks. Real-world owners report average maintenance costs of just $490 per year, well below the average for midsize SUVs. Hyundai has also transformed its quality control. The new generation Tucson undergoes rigorous testing in extreme conditions, from scorching deserts above 45 degrees Celsius to icy snow below 30 degrees Celsius, ensuring no issues arise in harsh environments. As a result, Consumer Reports gave the 2025 Tucson a reliability score of 79, a number few would have imagined Hyundai achieving 15 years ago. In real-world use, many U.S. owners have driven their Tucson beyond 200,000 miles with only basic maintenance like oil changes, air filter replacements, and brake pad swaps. Some even compare it to the Toyota RAV4 or Honda CR-V, saying it offers similar peace of mind. The Tucson's interior feels modern yet refined, avoiding unnecessary complexity. The central touchscreen is sleek and intuitive, while key physical buttons are retained for critical functions, a small but practical detail, especially for those who don't want to wrestle with tech while driving. Pause for 3 seconds and hit the subscribe button to support us. 5. Lexus NX. When it comes to luxury vehicles, most people brace for hefty repair bills after a few years. European brands like BMW or Audi often leave owners sighing over error warnings, faulty transmissions, or expensive replacements. But the 2025 Lexus NX is a rare exception, a luxury SUV that can last decades without becoming a money pit. At its core, the Lexus NX benefits from Toyota's renowned technology and engineering, a brand synonymous with durability. Every detail in the NX is designed for longevity: rust-resistant electrical connections, robust suspension, and a streamlined yet powerful engine. Lexus even includes self-diagnostic technology to catch issues early, reducing the chance of costly repairs. The 2025 NX features a 2.4L turbocharged engine delivering 275 horsepower, powerful enough yet smooth, embodying Lexus's signature refinement. Notably, this engine is built to withstand hundreds of thousands of miles without the serious issues often seen in turbo engines from other brands. According to Consumer Reports, the 2025 NX scores an impressive 77 for reliability, a remarkable figure for a luxury SUV. This means you don't have to sacrifice luxury for the risk of high repair costs. In terms of user experience, the Lexus NX prioritizes long-term comfort and practicality over flashy tech. The interior uses high-quality, durable materials, from leather seats to metal trim. The large infotainment screen is complemented by physical buttons for climate control and volume, small details that make the NX more user-friendly over years of use. More importantly, the NX comes with the advanced Lexus Safety System Plus, including adaptive cruise control, lane tracing assist, and a pre-collision system. These technologies not only keep you safe on the road, but also contribute to lower insurance costs compared to other luxury vehicles. But Subaru Forester. When you think of Subaru, images of cars conquering snow, trudging through rugged dirt roads, and reliably running for hundreds of thousands of miles come to mind. Among them, the Forester is the name that built this reputation. With the 2025 model, the Subaru Forester continues to prove it's not just a compact SUV, but a truly durable machine that can stay by your side for 15-20 years without complaint. The Forester's greatest strength lies in its symmetrical all-wheel drive system, a Subaru hallmark. While many brands only engage AWD when needed, the Forester keeps it active at all times. This results in evenly distributed traction, better stability, less wear on drivetrain components, and reduced risk of losing control. It explains why the Forester is highly rated for driving in tough conditions, deep snow, muddy trails, or backcountry paths. Beyond that, the flat boxer engine, where pistons move horizontally instead of vertically, offers a double advantage. First, it lowers the vehicle's center of gravity, making the Forester more stable in corners or on mountain roads. Second, this design reduces vibration, leading to less engine wear and a longer lifespan. The combination of the boxer engine and symmetrical AWD creates a golden formula for the Forester's durability. Forester owners in the U.S. often share stories of surpassing 200,000 miles, even 250,000 miles, with only routine maintenance. Major repair costs are almost non-existent, which is why the 2025 Forester earned a 78 reliability score from Consumer Reports. The Forester's interior isn't flashy but is highly practical. High seats make entry and exit easy, and wide-opening doors are a small but significant plus for daily use. The expansive windshield and slim A-pillars provide excellent forward visibility. Everything is designed for long-term comfort and safety, not just showroom appeal. The Forester also comes with the EyeSight safety system, including adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and pre-collision braking, all of which work smoothly and reliably. 3. Toyota Corolla. If you ask any seasoned mechanic in the US which car just keeps running, they'll almost certainly mention the Toyota Corolla. Since its debut in 1966, the Corolla has sold over 50 million units worldwide, a number only possible because of its unmatched durability, efficiency, and reliability. The Corolla's standout feature is its simplicity. While competitors chase complex turbo engines, dual-clutch transmissions prone to failure, or overloaded electronics, the Corolla sticks to naturally aspirated or simplified hybrid engines with fewer parts and fewer risks. This less complexity, fewer problems philosophy makes the Corolla one of the longest-lasting vehicles on the road. Many older Corollas easily surpass 300,000 miles with just basic maintenance. A legendary case is a 1993 Corolla that reached 1,000 miles, equivalent to 40 trips around the Earth, with its original engine and transmission. This shows the Corolla isn't just a mode of transport, it's a symbol of durability. The 2025 Corolla builds on that legacy with upgrades for even better fuel efficiency while maintaining long-term reliability. Consumer Reports gave it an 84 reliability score, making it one of the most dependable compact vehicles today. Beyond the engine, Toyota designed the Corolla with a sturdy chassis, rust-resistant steel, and a durable suspension. These features help it withstand harsh conditions, from snowy, salted roads in northern U.S. states to humid coastal climates. The 2025 Corolla's interior is modern, yet true to its practical, over-flashy philosophy. The seats are supportive, the dashboard is easy to use, and the screen is just large enough to be useful without being distracting. With average annual maintenance costs of just $400–500, the Corolla saves owners a significant amount compared to other compact cars. What makes the Corolla a legend isn't just its ability to run forever, but also its ease of repair, readily available parts, and excellent resale value. In the used car market, the Corolla consistently ranks among the best for retaining value, thanks to its decades-long reputation for reliability. 2. Toyota Prius. If you had to pick a car that changed the entire auto industry, the Toyota Prius would undoubtedly make the list. First launched in 1997, the Prius was once seen as a bold experiment with its hybrid powertrain. Nearly 3 decades later, It has proven itself not only a pioneer, but also an icon of durability. What sets the Prius apart is Toyota's hybrid system, one of the most thoroughly tested technologies in the world. Early models used unmatched batteries, already more durable than skeptics expected. Today, the 2025 Prius uses lighter, more efficient lithium-ion batteries with an equally impressive lifespan. Many owners report that the original battery can last 200,000–300,000 miles, matching the vehicle's overall lifespan. Another key factor is its wear-reducing design. The Prius uses regenerative braking, which not only saves battery power but also extends the life of brake pads, a component often replaced on traditional cars. The battery and inverter cooling systems are meticulously engineered by Toyota to minimize overheating risks, a common issue in younger hybrid competitors. With a 1.8L four-cylinder engine paired with an electric motor, the 2025 Prius earns a 76 reliability score from Consumer Reports. This isn't just a dry statistic. It reflects real-world experience, minimal minor issues, easy repairs, and low maintenance costs. Mechanics often joke, "If you don't want to see me regularly, buy a Prius." The Prius also saves significant operating costs. With an average fuel economy of about 50 miles, many U.S. families save thousands of dollars on gas within just a few years. This makes the Prius a long-term investment, not just a mode of transportation. Inside, the 2025 Prius maintains a modern, minimalist, and user-friendly design. The central touchscreen is intuitive, with a clear interface, and it comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense features like collision warnings, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control. These technologies not only make driving safer, but also lead to lower insurance costs, a practical, indirect benefit. 1. Toyota RAV4. If the Prius is the star of the hybrid world, the Toyota RAV4 is the king of SUVs when it comes to reliability and value retention. Since its debut in the 1990s, the RAV4 has evolved into one of the world's best-selling SUVs. By 2025, it continues to solidify its reputation as the SUV built to last forever. At the core of the 2025 RAV4 is a 2.5L four-cylinder naturally aspirated engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. It's not complex or flashy, a formula that ensures durable performance and easy maintenance, and avoids the minor issues that plague more intricate powertrains. Real-world owners report RAV4s surpassing 300,000–400,000 miles without major overhauls. Another key advantage? Toyota uses a timing chain instead of a timing belt, which requires costly periodic replacements. This saves RAV4 owners thousands of dollars over the vehicle's life. The body is coated with rust-resistant materials, and the reinforced chassis helps the RAV4 endure harsh conditions. Consumer Reports consistently ranks the RAV4 at the top, with the highest reliability score in its segment. This aligns with real-world experience, minimal breakdowns, average maintenance costs of just $450–500 per year, and impressive resale value. After 5 years, the RAV4 retains over 60% of its original value, a feat few SUVs can match. The 2025 RAV4 also offers a hybrid version, combining 219 horsepower with 40 mpg fuel efficiency. This is the ideal choice for those who want a versatile SUV with low operating costs. More importantly, Toyota's hybrid system has proven durable across generations, giving owners confidence in the battery and electric motor. The RAV4's interior avoids flashy trends, focusing on practicality and durability. Physical buttons complement the touchscreen, seats are spacious, and materials resist wear over years of use. This makes the RAV4 a fantastic choice for families, not just for today, but for the next decade. This list proves one thing. A reliable vehicle doesn't just give you peace of mind on the road, it can save you tens of thousands of dollars in repair costs over its lifetime. From the fuel-efficient and durable Toyota Prius to the RAV4, the king of SUVs with exceptional resale value, these vehicles show that choosing the right car is an investment in safety, financial savings, and long-term comfort.